Mapapasana all ka na lang muli sa mga ibinabahagi ng mga fans sa kanilang nga pong panonood ng concert ng SB19 na talaga namang sobrang effort ang ginagawa talaga ng mga 18. Kwento ng fans, simula at wakas, sumakses na naman ako, mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga, napakabait po ng 5. Nag-lag pa yung phone ko, sabi ko kay Pablo at Stel Ahero, wait lang, huwag kayong gagalaw. Stel Ahero, so happy to see you smile dun sa binibigay kong Hirono. Josh Cullen, nabasa rin yung sinulat ko sa hot, sorry na SSOB at nahatak kita ng very light, love you. Philip, sana magustuhan mo si Candice, since mahilig ka sa sweets, bawi ako sa inyo, Pablo and Justin. Kahit pagod kayo, super ganda pa rin talaga ng show and effort nyo sa fan service. Balik ulit kayo in 3 months, please. Love you. Mahalima, hashtag SB19, hashtag simula at wakas, hashtag sopechanga at temukula, hashtag 18. Ito naman ang isang kwento pa ng isang fan na si Carla Christine Ruiz. Thank you, Mahalima, for always giving your 100% best. It was such a surreal and fun experience interacting with each and every one of you. Napakababait and very much approachable. You guys deserve all the loves. Rest well, boys, and continue to conquer the world. Of course, shout out din kina Tita Gemma, Tito Ted, and Tita Green. Mula naman kay Edward Honey, PTPA, di man kami pinala at makasecure ng VIP seat pero sinwerte kami na nasa likod namin sina Miss Gemma de Dios, Miss Grace and Sir Ted Nase. Kakakilig. Nagpaalam kaming mag-selfie and they are so cool about it. Selfie taken by my friend Romel Bordon. By the way, share ko din po, nakakataba ng puso na yung katabi namin di kasama sa photo. New 18 sila and throughout the show, puro sila papuri. Galing na galing sila, first time daw nilang manood and misis niya daw po lang ang fan sa una. Now, it's both of them na. So sabi ko, welcome to the fandom po. Samantala, 2x2 naman ang dala nitong si Justin sa Pichanga. At say nga ng mga fans, hoy Justin, mukhang nagiging sadista ka na. Biro pa. Congratulations naman kay Joyce. Pinatunayan niya na tunay na magkakaroon ka ng free ticket sa Acer. Ito po ay concert global Acer Day kung saan ay nandoon ang SB19. Magaganap po ito sa August 9, 2025. So, ibinahagi ni Joyce, congratulations, you've successfully qualified to receive tickets to the hashtag Acer Day 2025 Break a Limit concert happening on August 9, 2025 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. Activity details, activity name, Acer Online Store top, monitor promo. So, ayan po yung ibinahagi ni Joyce. Well, congratulations at ayan po ang ating showbiz snap update. Thank you for watching. Tumutok lang po for more. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.